Hello there. So we got three images for one design that we want to explain and get your input and creative feedback. So negative space imagery for the three of them. We like this. We like the idea of incorporating the fox in a negative space. It's very simplistic, two colors. Anything you want to add? Okay. And then we have this, which is similar theme. Not a whole lot to add. And this one, which is obviously quite different, but super creative, incorporating two different themes in one with really interesting font, colors, and design that kind of feels like it all brings it in to get together into a really clever way, which we like. Anything you want to add?
We were thinking about using negative space, incorporating a fox with a wave.
Yeah, like so, exactly. So the fox we dig, negative space, simplicity, maybe a wave or ocean or yeah, ocean theme, wave theme, if that would pull together. Sweet.